Okay, finally, we're leaving. We stopped by there.
1,000 feet. Continue on to Washington 543 South.
Yay! I don't know. Nexus lane only. What is that? I don't know what's Nexus. Tingnan mo, inaayos talaga. Custom brokers. Ay, tapos hindi pala pwede ang mag-picture. I don't know. Hindi naman niya sinabi.
Continue on Washington 543 South for 1.5 miles.
Hindi natin